Good morning, Prem Sai.
Good morning, madam.
What is your name?
My name is Teresa.
What is your father's name?
Father's name is Sukri Babu.
Good. What is your mother's name?
Mother's name is Krishna.
Nice. What is your school name?
Mr. Kish.
Which class are you studying?
LKG.
Who is your class teacher? Tell me.
LKG.
Who is your teacher?
Subala Krishna.
Very nice. Now I'll ask you opposite, Prem Sai. Okay? What is opposite of up?
Up.
Up. Good, good. Very good. Again, up.
Down.
Very nice. Tall.
Tall. Top. Short.
Good. Big.
Small.
Nice. Front.
Back.
Okay. Inside. Inside. What is the opposite of inside? Very nice. Good boy. Very nice. Now tell me some fruits.
Mango. Lotus.
Lotus. Lotus is a flower. Tell me some fruits.
Mango. Banana.
Good.
Apple.
And tell me.
Date.
Good. Okay. What is your favorite fruit? Which fruit you like most?
Apple.
Apple. Your favorite fruit is apple. Very nice. Now tell me, who is the Prime Minister of India? Pranav Mukherjee is our President of India. Prime Minister of India, Doctor? Tell me, Doctor? Very nice. Okay, tell me, what is our national fruit? What is our national fruit?
Mango.
Very nice. What is our national flower? Okay. Very good. Now tell me the spelling of one. Tell. Very nice. Two. Three. THR. E. Three. Good. Four. Tell me. Tell me. What is the spelling of four? FOUR. Four. Okay. Friends, can you show me your eyes? Eyes. Show me. Good. Nose. Show me your nose. Show me. Hair. Show me your hair, Prem Sai. Good. What is the color of your hair? What is the color of carrot?
Orange.
Very nice. What is the color of apple? Apple color?
Red.
Good. What is the color of banana?
Yellow.
Very nice. What is the color of a leaf? Leaf.
Green.
Very good boy. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? 7 days. What are they? Sunday.
Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Saturday.
Thursday. Friday.
Friday.
Tell me.
Saturday.
Very good. Very nice. Now tell me one rhyme. Ding dong bell.
Who's in the well? Who put the ring? Little down the side.
Tin.
Tin.
Show me. Who pulled her out?
Little down the star. What is not a paradise?
To drown a?
Push a chair.
Very nice. Now join your hands. Tell me Shuklam Bharadaram.
Shukla, Balaram, Vishnu, Shashivarnam, Raya,
Prasanna Vadanam.
Sannavaranam,
Dhyayet.
Jaya, Savitrava Shantaya.
Very nice. Now I'll give you tablet. Will you play? Color the object, Prem Sai. Good. Nice. Color it. Very good, Prem. Very nice. Do it. Good. Go to next page. Do it. Do it, baby. Good. Nice. Very nice. Do you want to do? Do it. Go to next page. Good boy. Do it. What is that?
Elephant.
What is that?
Elephant.
Good. Do. Do it. Yes. Very good, Prem. Very nice, Prem. What is the color of mango?
Yellow.
Yellow. Color the mango yellow. Good. Very nice. Well done, Prem Sai. Thank you.